mortal remains, we're getting to know, will be shifted in that car when we are getting those pictures live from the Army RNR Hospital, the Research and Referral Hospital in the national capital. And Sumi, over to you for those live pictures, please.
Absolutely. As we can see, the mortal remains of Pranab Mukherjee, the 13th president of India, is being taken, and my video journalist Santosh has been panning the camera and showing this is the latest pictures that we are showing, Amita, to our viewers. And we saw a fully flower-decked up, truck in which the mortal remains of the president is being taken, and there is an entire cavalcade of the Defence Ministry also. And the mortal remains will be taken here directly to 10 Rajaji Marg, his official residence, where several dignitaries have been waiting, and 5 minutes will be given to the Defence Secretary, and the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also will be there to pay his last respect to the 13th president and also the departed soul. As we saw, the entire cavalcade took off from the Army Research and Referral Hospital, where he was admitted on the 10th of August, and he was certainly battling for his life, Amita. And this leader has been respected from various, has been respected across several political parties, and he was certainly very close to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We can also remember an incident where Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that if he had been the Prime Minister, the Congress would have not have seen the kind of tumultuous period that it has been, the political party has been witnessing. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi often has voiced out his attachment towards the President Pranab Mukherjee, which very well reflected the kind of bond that they had shared. And in fact, he took to Twitter and shared various pictures of of his meet with the President Pranab Mukherjee. And in fact, in one of the pictures, he can be seen touching his feet. That's the kind of bond that Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared. And in fact, he will be expected between 10:30 to 11 to arrive at 10 Rajaji Marg to pay his last tribute. The current President Ramnath Kovind also took to Twitter, and he said that certainly this is the end of an era, and as we can expect him also to arrive at 10 Rajaji Marg to pay his last tribute. The entire cavalcade will reach there in close to 20 minutes, and there the entire
So those pictures coming in from the Army RNR Hospital there, where the mortal remains will be shifted in a short while from now, as we continue putting out those live pictures from the national capital.